Hey dolls and kittens, welcome to the vlog. It's Vlogmas day 12 and today I am going out to lunch with my girlfriend. That's me driving to meet her. We went to Blue Claw Crab Eatery in Burlington, New Jersey, and it was amazing.
Oh, sorry.
Enjoy. Hey, my girlfriend. Say hey, girlfriend. We want to go out. It's so crazy. This is like the final result. I had to sleep. I don't know why I got so many crabs. But my girlfriend finished hers, devoured them. So good though. So this is the outfit of the day. A little outside. Cute, casual. That's my girlfriend Payne. Hey girlfriend. Look at my girlfriend ass, y'all.
Hey, wait. My girlfriend trying to drive right there. We going to Marshall. Why is she trying to drive right there? No. Hold on, y'all. Look, we was right here. We got in the car. We going right there. Why are you lazy like that?
I don't like it. I don't like
Look where we going, y'all. Look. I'm fucking hollering. This is great. Now they pulling out.